Monday, February 16th, 2026. Hope y'all had a great Valentine's Day weekend. Uh, Coming to the morning, we had Presidential Day today, or President's Day today. So it's a news holiday, or bank holiday. So basically, no news, no nothing. Normally, it means no trading. I didn't trade today. That wasn't why, but my entry just was not given today. Let me show you what I mean. So this is my analysis for today. This is what I wanted to see. I wanted to see us come back into this fair value gap and then rally higher to these relative equal highs up here. I wish you could see better. I'll show you in a second. Well, let me just read this off real quick. So this is ES, by the way, because we have a big, obvious SMT at these lows. We get a CSD above these highs, and then we have no obvious retracement back. I wanted to see a retracement into this fair value gap, this fair value gap, this fair value gap. We didn't really get any of those. We didn't even get a retracement coming back to really anything until all the way up here. So no trade. I mean, we did have a first percent fair value gap entry, but that was already like halfway above um, the move or where I wanted to see price go. So I was like, there's no reason. Plus, it wasn't a really great retracement or anything, so nothing I had conviction on. We also had this candle after the CISD go back into this order block right here for the 0.25 of the quadrant levels that I marked out. Again, not a good enough reason for me to take an entry. First starts rallying higher. We get a retracement of this 5 minute. I thought about entering. Um, I'm glad I didn't because this is just an obvious late entry. Um, and then we start rallying higher. We didn't even end up taking out buy side because we created S&T at this high when Nasdaq went and took this one out. So, my goal for this week is to pass the account before rebuild, which is should be next Monday. I'm only 750 away. Yet last night I did take a short entry on Nasdaq during Asian session. Um, it was a pretty nice. I don't normally trade Asian, but it was pretty nice. Um, Let me show you. This is Nasdaq actually. No way I marked out Nasdaq. I think I marked out and posted Nasdaq. No, this is ES. All right, good. Good. I'm gonna go back to ES then. There we go. So SMT 945 bell, opening bell right here, and then we got SMT at these lows, start rallying higher. This is the buy side I wanted to see get taken out, and price just started rallying, and it really didn't give me an entry at all. Let me show you the 0.25 I was talking about with this order block right here. See, we come back down, tap 0.25. I can't show you with my finger, but right here on this candle. Um, and then the price starts rallying higher, and then never ends up taking out this high, but does enter this 5 minute um, bearish rally gap, and then starts rolling over. At this point, I think Nasdaq went into its new week opening gap that we initially ran through, which this is what this is, the new week opening gap of ES. Nasdaq's up here, so it came back up, tapped that, and then we started rallying lower, which would have been a great short entry if I would have realized that, because Nasdaq is so much nicer. So basically that was my bullish trade. That was my trade idea for this morning. I don't normally trade like right now, so that's kind of sort of another reason why I didn't want to trade Nasdaq because I was looking for these highs. But it would have been nice to be honest because we've been in a bearish price action, bearish leg. We come up, tap this 5 minute, which I wanted to see get tapped. Nasdaq taps first presented or new week opening gap, and then Nasdaq would have been the better entry just because it has that new week opening gap volatility. So we come up into this new week opening gap here. As you can see, it's this one right. It's all the way over here. Takes out this one did take out buy side, so it takes out buy side. ES does not, creates an SMTs. We have our CSD here. CSD also goes through the new week opening gap, comes back up into this double fair value gap, only test the lower one. Stop loss could be here, here, or here, and then price starts rallying lower. going to take out all of this sell side. I'm guessing it's going to look something like this. Say we did enter on that double fair value gap, which we should have. Say we stop loss at the high, and you could target all the way down here. And the thing is, we have more room to go. We have this low right here as well. So, give me one second. It's so bad. Now that I think about it, I think that's all I really want to cover today. Let me show you the take profit, I would say. I mean, you could say this low right here, right? But you could also say this low right here before we get to that really down there swing low. I'm guessing this is a protected low. If we want to go, if we do end up coming down here, we're probably going to be bearish for the next week. Oh, if you want to see, I'll show you real quick. This was my Asian scalp. It was pretty obvious. This is the 5 minute, but come down, tap this 5 minute, and roll over. I'm looking for this low to get taken out. On the 1 minute, I guess I'll show you the 1 minute real quick. Can't do no harm. We're only at 6 minutes anyways. Um, yeah, I thought it was a pretty nice setup. I thought it was a pretty nice trade. I don't normally trade Asian. To be fair, I was probably a little bored, and this is the reason I took the trade, but it just looked nice. No SMT or anything. We just have a huge CSD. It was pretty obvious. Came down, CSD here, retracement back to this fair value gap, and then stop loss was above this high right here, and then take profit down here. That's really all she wrote. It was a long trade because I entered at what is this? 8:15, 9:15, and didn't end up coming out till 10:26. So this is over an hour trade. I'm pretty sure. 22, 26. Yeah. This is an hour long trade. It was pretty I was just chilling, low key. I was like, all right, well, this shit's either gonna hit or not. So and that's why I made the 147 from. It was last night. Only risked three cons on or Nasdaq for 26 points. So that's pretty nice. And that's it for today. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you took something away from this. I hope y'all traded good today as well. And look at price. It's beautiful. That's all I got for y'all today. I hope tomorrow we get some volatility in the markets. I don't really know. Haven't really looked at calendar. Uh, uh, really no news tomorrow because we have FOMC the next day too. So this week could be pretty ass, to be honest. I hope I trade good tomorrow in the next couple of days so I can pass this account um for good. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow. God willing. Stay safe. Um, let's get to it. I'm gonna go to the gym. Last thing, outro. I'm about to go to the gym, and I got this management exam on Thursday that I haven't even started studying for. And then I got a marketing exam on Monday I haven't started studying for. And then I got a Excel exam on next Thursday that I haven't started studying for. So today is going to be the beginning of a 7 day lock-in isolation, studying my life away, um, quoting my boy. One thing about bake holidays is that we move better, less messy, due to lack of liquidity. Um, I partially agree. I pretty much agree. I did like the price action today. I thought it was pretty obvious, pretty easy. I really wish I did get a setup. Um, I mean, I didn't really want to short the market. We were very low in discount, so I was waiting for a buy, and then the buy opportunity happened, and then didn't give me the buy move happened, no opportunity happened. So I waited, sat on my hands, didn't do anything, watched the market go higher as I wanted to enter so bad and wanted to, see some green, but I don't take it because the entry wasn't there, and then the entry to the downside was there, and that would have been a better entry as well because of the fact that we were already in a bearish market. It would have capitulated like I'm guessing it's doing right now. Yeah, we just hit full first take profit, take profit within there. This would have been the sauce of the day. This was the sauce of the day. This is the trade of the day. If you didn't take this, then you're gambling. If you took anything else. I'm done for the day. I know that's like my third time saying that. God bless. I hope y'all have a good day, good rest of your week, and I'll see you tomorrow. God willing. Deuces, y'all.